mum-in-law told us off for going over to board games at a friend's house last night.
How many people were there?
Well, we thought there were only going to be 2 others. There ended up being a bit of a handful, but really not anything to write home about.
Yeah. Okay. Next one is the brow chakra. So the brow links in with the zygomatic bone and the pubic bone. And hold, okay. Hold, okay, first stage stress. So the brow chakra is about truth and vision and intent. And it doesn't like feeling fragmented and confused. Yeah, right. And the flower essence is sunshine wattle. So people aren't able to see that vision forward, you know, like when is this going to end? When are we going to get life back to normal? So sunshine wattle is about feeling gloomy and inability to see a bright future. I am now releasing my past and seeing joy and beauty in my life. I live fully and joyously in the present. I now feel optimistic about life and the future. I am now releasing my past and seeing joy and beauty in my life. I live fully and joyously in the present. I now feel optimistic about life and the future. And hold. Hold, beautiful. Ah, no, it went down to second stage stress. Okay, so what do we need next? Something else? Tuning fork combination for the, okay, for the brow chakra. So what do we need? Liver energy. Liver adrenal energy. Okay. Yeah, feeling deprived. Okay. Desert marigold. Yeah, feeling a victim of circumstance and once again about responsibility. Okay, so do we need to do the adrenal meridian, the liver meridian? Do we need to do a chakra? Do we need to do the brow chakra? So it's more about the liver meridian. Okay. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively transcend my giving away my power and my being a victim of circumstance into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively choose to take responsibility for my personal power. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively dissolve my giving away or holding back my power and my being a victim of circumstance into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively choose to take responsibility for my personal power. Hold. Hold. Beautiful. And the last one is the crown. So the crown, palatine, and the thymus gland. And hold. Hold. Okay, and it's a bit whacked as well. So the crown chakra is when we're taking on other people's energies and other people's beliefs and other people's fears and other people's stress, and it's messing with our brains. So with your mum-in-law, there's a bit of fear there then?
I think so, yeah. She works in government though, so she's surrounded by people who are worried, I guess, about how it's going to affect everything.
Yes, absolutely. Meanwhile, my brother Jim has been allowed onto an island off the boat, so he should be home in 48 hours,
Oh, that's
amazingly. Good. So I'm not sure whether they ended up coming back through Brazil or...
Is he going to have to face the tourists?
Oh yeah, absolutely. He won't be back at work until after Easter.
Well, him being a doctor as well.
Yeah, oh yeah, they'll want him back. The 7 chakra cranial balance for COVID-19, fear, stress, anxiety, frustration. Enjoy, take care, take safe. Next time we might be here with masks on, or maybe we'll be locked down and this won't happen again for a while. So anyway, we either will see you or we won't.